Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can add keyboard language in your phone Oneplus Nord. First go to typing interface and see here only English is available. If you want to add more languages to this keyboard you can do it. For that first go to the settings of your phone here and then go to system, then go to languages and input and click on virtual keyboard and here select Gboard and select languages. Only English US is available. If you want to add more keyboard, click on add keyboard here and select the language of your choice. Here I would like to select Tamil and click on done. Yes, Tamil keyboard is now added to the list. If you want to add more keyboard, again click on add keyboard and select any other language of your choice. Here I would like to select Hindi and click on done. Yes, now three languages are available. If you want to switch between languages, just go to the typing interface and see here. By default English is available. If you want to change to other language, click on this global symbol and another language will appear. Here Tamil appeared. So if you want to type Tamil, now you can just type. Here I type just Vanakkam. Yes, I have typed. If you want to switch to Hindi, again click on this global symbol and again click it. Hindi is now available. I just type some Hindi word here. So in this way you can easily switch between languages that you have added in the keyboard of your phone OnePlus Nord. If you want to remove those added language, yes, you can do it. Again go to the settings and click on system, then click on languages and input, click on virtual keyboard, click on Gboard, click on languages. Suppose if you want to remove this Hindi language from this list, just click on this edit button and click on the language and click on delete button here, and that Hindi language is only deleted and other two languages are available now. So in this way also you can modify the list. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.